Guys, today we're going to talk about a Lifetime shed. This is an 8 by 6.5 feet. Bought it at Costco probably 4 or 5 years ago. The issue we were having is right at the front door. The base that we built originally had rotted, and that is the base. So I called Lifetime Shed to see if you can just move the shed. And they said probably not a good idea. Well, I'm here to tell you we can do it. And here's what you do. What we did was unscrew the 6 screws that screw it to the base. And we pushed it off into the driveway. I got stuff out here, still working on the shed. Deal with it. Anyway, the issue with how the water was getting in, couple reasons. Number one, you've got these little holes, what used to be holes right here, and water would leak in because my son just refuses to shut the shed when he puts his stuff away. So I filled it with what's that stuff called, the great stuff, gap and crack filler. Anyway, we'll see how it works. I don't know. Anyway, so we moved it back, we slid it back, and then we pushed it back in. And once we got it all done, we had an issue with the doors not being able to shut. Found a video on YouTube, and they told us we needed to put a couple shims back in that back corner where the gap filler is, and see if that wouldn't fix it. And I'll be damned if it didn't. I don't know how that works. It's way beyond my pay grade, but it did. The other issue we had with water was up here. We had cracks all the way up here. So, went and bought the flex tape, which I should own stock in because I got flex tape, flex shot. I've got clear flex seal. And you know what? I just don't know if it works, but well, yeah, I do. It works. It's good stuff. So anyway, we got this shed back in order with a base built out of 4x4s that were left over from this huge fence we just built around the house. So that was nice. It raised up a little higher, so we put a little asphalt ramp there. That works. Probably need to fill that in. Anyway, then I'm going to seal all the way around the bottom here. Let's see what that does. The other thing we did was, with a Lifetime shed, you don't have a lot of shelving. You can't, it's just not strong enough to hold shelves. So we went ahead and built frame in here. And the frame was built of 2x2s. And they work. They work fantastic. To hold the kids' toys, we got the basketball thing here from Rubbermaid. It's Fast Track. It works just fine. Over here I use the Craftsman shelving system. That works fine. I haven't put everything up yet. But anyway, this shed's going on 5 years. They say it's a Lifetime shed. So far, so good. Now the only issue is, after I get done with this 8 by 6.5, I gotta go up there and do the 15 by 8.5 or 8, whatever. I'm not gonna move that one. The base is still good, but I'm gonna frame it so I can put more stuff in it. Anyway, That's the Lifetime shed there. That's the way you make it a little bit stronger. I also use that Flex Seal to just fill in all the gaps and cracks that I see, and I'm pretty happy with it. So awesome. My first video. Let's do this.